watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time.
So I just got to my new hotel, and it's on this river, and all of a sudden I hear this loud crashing sound, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I look up at the bridge that's right in front of me, and I think that there's like a car accident going on or something. Lo and behold, there's an elephant park right across the way, and they're giving the elephants a bath right now.
But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time.
Well guys, I finally made it to ERAWAN National Park, and the entrance fee was like 320 baht for a foreigner, 300 baht to get in, and then 20 baht to park your motorbike. I think it's like 50 baht to park your car.
It's a beautiful country.
Oh yeah, sure is. Yeah, as you can see, there are lots and lots of foreigners around. Big tourist attraction. I mean, it is like the most beautiful waterfall place in all of Thailand. So let's go check out these waterfalls and check out the market around it. Oh, that looks a little too scary for me. Alright, so the reason why this is so expensive to get in here is because it's such a huge waterfall system. Like, there are 7 different waterfalls, and the higher that you hike, the better that these waterfalls get. And you can also swim in the waterfalls, but they make you rent these life jackets for like 20 baht, which, you know, that's not too bad. But there's all these fish in all the waterfalls too, and they're the type of fish that they like bite the dead skin cells off of your body. But they're a little bit creepy because they're so huge, but I still had to get into this waterfall here and go swimming. But I would really recommend doing the hike first and then going swimming once you reach the bottom, because you really don't want to get yourself all soaking wet and then have to like keep hiking all the way up and get all sweaty and nasty again. It's just a much better idea to like see all the waterfalls first and then go ahead and go swimming. I mean, as long as you're not really itching to get in the water when you get there. But that's what I did because Patty Doyle recommended that, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a shot. So yeah, anyway, let's get back to the journey. I'm here at level 4. I just seen a monkey. Yep, you heard me right. I got my phone close to my chest. I'm watching out. Ah, heck of a hike, but man, this place is really beautiful. On to the next levels. honestly can't help but wonder who the first people were to find these waterfalls. I mean, talk about the most awesome makeout spot ever. And if you found this place, yeah, no questions asked. I'm officially the conqueror. Okay, so this is really crazy. So I've been in waterfalls before in Thailand, and they have these fish that'll nibble at your dead skin, and it like kind of, it's like a therapeutic thing. It feels really good. Okay, well look at these suckers. They're freaking massive. Like, what kind of dead skin are these guys eating? Holy smokes! Look at those big boys. I got into this waterfall, and then all of a sudden these big old fish start coming up to me, and I'm just like, whoa, man, chill out. I'm not ready for that kind of a commitment yet. Okay, so I'm almost back, and I swear I just heard something in the woods over there. Like the monkeys are stalking me. I heard about their friends on Pangan almost getting away with my brand new iPhone. These people these monkeys want taste of Uncle Noah. Hey, you! Yes, you! Hit that subscribe button and like my video. It's so easy, and it's totally free. It helps me out so much. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching my video. We'll see you later.